Jesus was clear when it came to his followers' treatment of each other once he was gone. In a recent podcast, we saw those lessons from his last night before his crucifixion. Jesus, our Lord and Master, got down on his knees to humbly serve his followers by washing their feet. The takeaway? None should think himself too good to do the most menial things in mutual service. This is where Christian unity begins. The other experiences of that evening only enhanced Jesus' message. Be unified. Is unity easy? No. Jesus warned us of wolves in sheep's clothing. The rest of the New Testament alerts us to the dangers that his followers would continually face. Christian unity would be challenged by smooth talkers, worldly-minded leaders, vain philosophies, and false doctrines. Unity with those who promote such things is not what Jesus wanted. So, can Christian unity be a reality? It can, and it is absolutely required. How? Click the link in the description to hear our recent podcast episode. We are Christians, but are we unified? We take a practical look at what Christianity is supposed to be built upon. We also identify the red flag problem areas. True unity requires wisdom and insight. Follow with us and learn where to begin. Thanks for watching another CQ Moment That Matters. Click below to subscribe and get updates on new videos.